Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra and FR Legends with an easy method. Many players seek quick ways to unlock their favorite cars, and there are specific approaches that allow you to bypass the usual progression. This method focuses on immediate access, letting you enjoy the Supra without extensive gameplay to earn in-game currency or unlock stages. It's about getting straight to the fun of drifting. The easiest way often involves utilizing specific game versions where all cars, including the Toyota Supra, are already unlocked. These versions typically come with unlimited in-game currency, such as coins or gems. This means you can immediately access the dealership, select the Supra, and add it to your garage without needing to earn a single coin through races or challenges. It's a direct path to your dream drift car. With immediate access, you save many hours of gameplay that would otherwise be spent grinding for in-game funds. This allows you to jump straight into customizing your Toyota Supra with performance parts, visual modifications, and unique liveries right away. You can then focus entirely on mastering your drifting skills on various tracks, experimenting with different setups, and enjoying the thrill of the game without any financial limitations. Once you have your Toyota Supra, head to your in-game garage. Here, you can explore all the customization options, from engine swaps to body kits and paint jobs, making your Supra truly unique. After personalizing it to your liking, take it out onto any track. Experience the powerful rear-wheel drive handling and enjoy endless hours of high-speed drifting and competitive racing with your legendary new car.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.